if you guys are fans of SB19, then for sure you are a fan of this gentleman right here. I am joined by none other than Justin.
Hey.
Woo!
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Oh my goodness, Justin, so nice to have you here. So exciting. And we're obviously going to talk about your new track, Kaibigan, in just a bit. But first, I just want to check in with you. Like, how have you been? How have you been? Like, catch up tayo, like friends.
Right now, okay naman po. Parang kakatapos lang ng aming Hell Month. Hell Month
Hell
is a whole month
months.
of busy schedule. So,
They're working hard.
medyo
so
nakapahinga ako quite this past few days.
Yeah, yeah.
So, pero happy naman kasi syempre ang dami nangyayari. Better
Of
than wala.
course. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm glad. So you said it was a busy month. Is it, recording? Is it just practicing in
Doing a
the
lot of
studio,
shows.
or how's it been for you in the past week, past month?
Past month, actually, yon kakatapos lang din kasi ng aming pagtatag concert. So, we ended like, an era for our pagtatag. Tapos, after that, may mga solo schedules kami. Like, katulad nga na to, I just released new songs. So, maraming ganap
Yeah.
and other stuff. So,
Okay, okay. So are you able to relax just a little bit now that the month has calmed down a little bit?
oh, yes. Gone.
No
Not
worries.
fully, yeah.
Yeah. Well, again, I guess you said like mas okay na busy
Yeah.
imbis sa parang medyo wala kang
Wala
ginagawa.
masyadong ginagawa.
All right. Well, since I actually did have Pablo and Josua here last time as well, so that was really fun to get to know them. And so now also you on a solo act, how is that like as compared to being with your buddies at SB19?
Marami akong natutunan as a solo. Pero parang iba pa rin talaga if as a group yung activity and parang pag may kasama ka talaga na humaharap on cam, on stage.
Yeah.
Pero yun, sabi ko marami akong natutunan. It means marami ring like struggles. So, okay naman.
Yeah.
Masaya naman din. I mean, nare-release ko yung individuality ko.
Yeah,
Ayun,
for
ayun.
sure.
tired, of course.
Tapos,
They're working
like,
hard every
sa
single day.
experience mo dito, it's like, do you ask your other group mates? Do you
School
ask the rest?
project.
Oo, parang group project.
Pero tama, group.
Other, like, the other members from SB19, do you also ask them, like, if you are struggling, like, what can I do here? What's your opinion? What's your take on this?
Maybe as a group, hindi kami like very ganon na parang patulong naman. ano, naghihirap ako dito. Pero not much, but we do. So parang, kuwari, let's say yun sa music video, minsan di ko muna pinapakita. O kaya kung sino lang yung kasama ko ngayon, kuwari, si Stel, kasama ko this moment, ay, pinasa na. Sige na nga, papanood ko na. Ano sa tingin mo? Ganyan. Tapos sa audio naman, yun nga, sila Pablo, ano ko rin, and with the concepts, nagsasuggest na lang din sila randomly na, ganito kaya gawin mo. Kakaiba yun. Parang nagko-comment na lang
Yeah,
din
yeah.
naturally and
Okay. All right. Okay.
Anyway.
And so, since you are currently in your solo act, I'm sure there's a way for you guys to connect or keep in touch. So, I'm wondering, do you guys have a group chat? If so, is there a name to this group chat?
actually, meron kami, yun yung group chat namin ever since na nag-start kami.
Okay.
Yung group
that's
chat
cool.
name, SB19 lang din. SB19, literal na SB19.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun, yung picture pa nga niya is yung parang lumang photo pa namin. As in, 2018 photo, 2017,
Love it.
ewan ko. 2018 photos.
Yeah. So what do you guys usually like to share? If it's not necessarily like asking for advice or anything, like you share like memes or like mga posts na share ninyo.
Yari.
Smile.
Actually, kapag two things lang yung madalas na pinag-uusapan namin doon. If it's too serious na kailangan kaming 5 lang yung mag-uusap. And then the other one is too confidential. Paano ba? Kalokohan. Let's say, kalokohan. Na kaming 5 lang din dapat yung
Yes.
alam. So,
Yeah.
not so, hindi naman like sobrang sama na kalokohan, yung inside jokes and all.
Yeah,
parang
for
ganyan.
sure. I love
So,
those kinds
ayan.
of group chats for
Yeah.
sure. Parang dapat kayo lang. Parang group chat within a group chat. Group chat. Minsan may ganan
Yeah.
din. Okay, so obviously you're here to promote your new single, Kaibigan. And let the monsters know as well what that song's about.
Okay, Kaibigan basically is like a story
Mm-hmm.
wherein
What
parang
an
si
amazing
speaker
MV, Kai Bigan.
is
What an amazing song. Please stream it.
assuming in a way,
Mm-hmm.
or may nafe-feel siyang iba dun sa kaibigan niya because that friend is showing something different din sa kanya.
Oh, okay, okay.
But then, at the end of the song, malalaman ni speaker na parang, oh, friend lang pala talaga kami.
I see.
Parang, alam niyo yun, the moment minsan, nung high school, ganyan, na parang, ino-overthink mo lahat ng kilos nung crush mo,
Yes.
nung friend mo, na
So
parang,
true.
super clingy mo naman, pero sarili mo lang. May something ba yan, ganyan. Pero
Yeah.
at the end of the day, ay, ganun lang pala talaga siya as a person.
I love. Okay, well, I think that's very relatable for a lot of people who have been friend zoned. Sige,
Yeah.
taas ng kamay. The joke.
Uy,
Ala, ay,
ayan.
nagtaas talaga ng kamay. But yeah, so if you can describe like how it sounds, can you describe it in 3 words? Could be English, could be Tagalog, however you want. The song.
Sound.
Yeah, like how the
In
song
3 words.
sounds like. Yeah.
Okay. Suffering. Ang lala agad.
We went
Hindi, kasi
deep.
there's a part dun sa ending, parang ganun yung nafe-feel ko sa bridge part na parang, hala, nagsasuffer na siya.
Oo.
Suffering. Confusion. Ayan, confusion.
Okay, yeah.
And siguro ano pa rin, gusto ko sabihin yung happy, pero parang ang layo nung suffering tas happy.
Hard question.
Baka story nga siya, di ba?
Story,
So,
yeah.
possibly.
Pwede pa rin.
Pwede naman. Oh, sige.
Parang ano na lang, love na lang. Love.
Okay, so love, confusion, and suffering.
Yeah.
That is love for you. but okay, so yeah, when I was listening to the song, actually, it was giving me like that. What I came up with was like, it was somehow there was a little bit of hopefulness in there. It was still cheery,
Yeah.
and then there was a little bit of like desperation, like wanting to find out. And then
Yeah,
at the end of it's like it's also like contemplative. Na parang ano ba talaga?
Yes.
Yeah. So parang when I was thinking of like how it sounded, like those were the 3 words that came out for me. And so let's talk a little bit about being friend zoned, since we are in the deep dish after all. What would you say is the right time to probably tell your feelings to a friend? Or is there actually a right time to tell your feelings to a friend? Because I imagine it's difficult.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, kasi
asking
yun
hard
nga
questions.
parang
Look at
dun
just
sa
his
kanta,
expressions.
that's why you're asking and hindi ikaw yung nagsasabi. Kasi syempre, natatakot ka na. Baka may magbago if may sabihin ka or something.
Baka you don't feel yung may pala din.
The right time? I don't know. Maybe, actually, baka walang right time, no? Sometimes, pakiramdaman lang din talaga. Pero yun nga,
True.
paano if mali yung pakiramdam mo?
Ayun,
Oh, yeah.
yun lang.
I think, if nahihirapan ka na as a friend, na maging friend lang, baka yun na yung time. Kasi nagsastruggle ka na, hindi na nagiging natural yung friendship niyo.
Yeah.
Because may iba ka na, iba na yung tingin mo sa kanya.
For
So,
sure. That's
yeah.
actually a really good point. So yeah, Justin here dropping bombs for those who need help. If you want to know when it's time talaga to tell a friend how you really feel about them. And so okay, so I also read that you had no specific inspiration behind the song, but then there like how you described it is that you're an observer and a wanderer of like you're watching a film that's like that has a coming of age slant. So let's say what would be the movie that would come to mind that would be like a good kind of coming of age film.
Oh.
Pwede ka na mag-recommend.
Meron ako mga few na naisip eh.
Go for
Siguro
a few.
one is one of my favorites din. Perks of Being a Wallflower.
Of course, yeah.
I'm not sure if coming of age is Little Women. Little
In some way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos siguro, ano pa nga ba? Meron ako, I'm not sure din pero lagi ko na nasa scroll ngayon sa TikTok is yung mga, diba, naghang ako bigla. Nag-loading bigla.
May dumaan na ano.
hindi pala siya coming of age. Na-realize ko lang. It's a romance. So, anyway, dumaan ka sa TikTok ko rin yung kay Marvin and Jolina na parang yung
okay.
kaibigan mo lang ako. So parang, ay, ang galing Sakto siya.
I love that. Okay. Well, I mean,
yes.
I guess for all of you monsters who are listening, there are Perks of Being a Wallflower. What else was that? Little Women, and also the any Marvin and Jolina na lang since hindi naman sobrang hindi naalala ang title. But in any case, so what would you say then is the message behind Kaibigan?
It's acceptance. Actually, yun. Kasi, di ba nga, you're confused, tinatanong mo, pero at the end, hindi mo gusto yung sagot.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, the reply is something na hindi accepted. So, at the end of the day, binigyan ka pa rin niya ng saya. Friends
Yeah.
pa rin kayo. And, yun, actually, merong ending yun na kinat na namin. Pero anyway, it's more of accepting lang din talaga yung isa.
Okay, all right. And so, for all the monsters now who are listening, and even those who are watching also on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, could you give us a little sample?
Okay.
Sakto yung inom ko.
Oo nga. I thought you knew the cue. I was like, wow, he's ready. I love it. All right, whenever you're ready,
Aga pa.
Justin.
So, ano lang, kalma version.
Go.
Okay, Justin's gonna sing.
Ang tanong ngayon ay bakit sa kamay ko pa kumapit? Kung walang ibig sabihin, ba't ganyan ang iyong tingin? Di na malis sa isipan kong lahat ng to.
Wow.
Gabi-gabi ka na gumugulo.
Wow.
Maaari bang sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi na
It's a very hard song to
mga
sing,
mata
guys.
mo?
No, I love it. Yes. Oh, you can sip again if you want. Para ano, okay ka naman. I love that. Thank you very much for giving us a little tidbit of Kaibigan, which we will play also at the end of this interview. And so now I want to talk a little bit, some random thoughts with you. So when you want to zone out or just like relax, what do you like to do best?
Computer games.
Oh, what do you play?
Right now I'm playing League of Legends.
Okay.
And then Fortnite. Ayan. Ano pa nga ba?
I know they
Ayun
know
lang
that.
actually
Drop the
ngayon
handle.
right now. yung dalawa yung nilalaro ko. Na, ano,
Okay. So it's good it helps you zone out that way.
Yeah, pag naglalaro ako, mas ewan ko, nawawala yung focus ko sa work. So sometimes parang yun na yung pinaka-relax ko. And ibig sabihin marami akong time. Kumbaga, kasi parang minsan pag may gagawin ako, hindi ako makapag-game kasi nga kailan ko munang tapusin yung
Right.
work, ganyan. So if kaya ko maglaro, ibig sabihin I have time, makakapag-relax ako.
All right. That's a good escape. Now, for all the monsters who are listening and watching, we actually did give out like 5 all access #monster all access passes to 5 lucky fans. Ala, shy na sila.
Okay.
We're saying hello to Jel, to Gia, to Ali, to Ranzel, to Lisa. Can you guys wave? I love that they have the merch. They're also wearing Surreal merch, which is one of his solo tracks as well. Oh my goodness. I get kilig kayo, no? Oh. No, we love it. We love it. So they actually have questions for you. Initially, we were only supposed to choose one, but since they are your fans and they know you best, Justin, I decided, you know what? let's ask all the questions
Okay.
na lang. So at least, makilig pa sila all the more. Okay,
Grabe.
so first question. Now, this is in relation to the song Kaibigan from Liza. She's asking, naranasan mo na ba ma-friend zone?
Grabe naman yung first
Oo
question.
nga eh. We went hard on the first question.
Ala, hindi
Deep
makasagot.
in song?
Hindi ko alam kasi makakalimutin ako. Like, literally makakalimutin ako.
Especially if something happened, no?
Yeah. Maybe siguro parang mga puppy love nung high school, nung elementary,
okay,
mga
yeah.
ganyan na moments. Pero, yeah, wala akong maalala na
Yeah.
very yung talagang in love ka sa tao. Tapos, friends lang talaga kayo.
So
Parang
it could
major,
have happened.
Yeah.
Pero you can't remember.
Baka ako pala yung nakagawa.
Hala, ikaw pala. Okay. All right, next question from Gia. Hello, Jack. Can you share your experience having your dreams come into reality, directing the music video for different artists like Cup of Joe? She's so proud of you also.
Thank you po. Actually, ang bilis. Kasi parang recently lang din naman ako naging fan ng Cup of Joe.
Mhm.
And parang, yun nga, nasabi ko recently ko lang din parang naisip or mag-dream na mag-direct ng MV nila. And ngayon nagawa ko siya agad. So parang,
Awesome.
thank you so much and parang super happy and fulfilling.
Yeah, I can imagine because it's somewhat different from
Yeah.
what you do like as an artist na rin. So from Ranzel, if given an opportunity, would you consider being part of an indie film as an actor or director?
Ooh,
Yes,
good
of
question.
course. Ayun, actually, mas gusto ko ang if papasok sana ako sa acting scene. Gusto ko mag-start sa indie.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like it's a good start. Very...
For sure.
Ewan ko, something different talaga siya than the mainstream.
Really
Pero anyway,
wanna see him as an
any
actor.
way to enter the acting scene is good. So,
Yeah.
ayan. Gusto ko rin ma-experience yung indie.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So
sure.
you would rather act in an indie film. But if you had the opportunity to
Yeah.
direct one, about kaibigan na joke.
Yeah, actually, parang if as a practice, baka good na rin. I need to ask more details, parang ganun eh.
Oo.
Kasi if baka mamaya naman, hindi pa pala ako well developed to do an indie, diba?
Well, I mean, you have your practice in like directing music videos,
Videos,
so it's a
yeah,
good
yeah.
start. It's a good start. From Ali, hi Jack, congrats on new single. We have seen P-pop idol, singer, dancer, performer, creative director, actor, and visual artist Justin. Meron ka pa bang gustong i-explore?
Gusto ko
He's an all-rounder.
parang maging part ng isang game development.
Oh,
something
wow.
Character
Yeah.
creation, ganyan. Mag-design
Ng skin?
character. Ng skin. Oh, why not skin? Or talagang character or something. Gusto ko
Okay.
gaming naman.
Yeah, I imagine it would be super cool if, like, let's say SB19 would have
Oh.
skins sa Fortnite.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my
God! Hear me out.
Fortnite, Epic Games, hello.
Diba? There we go. We will cut that out. And okay, from Gel finally, are kaibigan and surreal part of something big na malalaman pa namin in the future?
Oh, hindi ko alam kung big. Pero for sure, it's something na like a story nga. It's part of a story.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's all he'll say about
Yeah.
But in any case, thank you again
Thank
to
you, guys.
Jel, Gia, Ali, Ranzel, and Lisa for sending those questions my way. And yes, I'm sure this is a core memory for you guys. Now, before we end the show, by the way, what else can you share to all your fans who are listening? I have tons of comments coming in and out of this, of our live stream. And for those who are also listening inside the booth, is there anything you can share that you have planned for the rest of the year?
Oh, actually, right now, yung time ngayon is the time for me to like actually promote, but maybe sa soon, like the second half of the year will be more focus sa group. So yan, medyo um yung solo is, I mean, meron pa ring mga projects, but I mean, for me siguro, I'll focus sa group this time sa second half of the year na. And then
Oh.
ayun, yun na siguro.
Yeah. What about
Marami naman,
like
pero yeah.
personally though? Like anything you want to do?
Of
Na
course,
parang,
he can't
I
reveal
haven't done
everything,
this
but
this
he
year.
said group projects are
Oh.
coming.
I want to do this.
Siguro if actually na-enjoy ko pag um yung na-experience ko with Cup of Joe of directing it, and yung pag giging like actor sa isang music video, let's say dyan. So if there's opportunities like those, parang
You want to pursue those
yeah,
also.
yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Justin,
Thank you po.
for joining me here on the Deep Dish. And it's such a pleasure to get to know you as well. And you're so funny. You're so
Narinig niyo yun.
and charismatic. We love it. We love to see it. And we love to see like, this side of like especially P-pop idols who like, outside of the group, how are you guys really like? So this is really fun and fun for me as well. So thank you very much. We are going to be playing Kaibigan at the end of this show episode or interview. But for now, invite the monsters, invite your fans to go ahead and listen to it.
Yes. Hello, Monsters. Hello, 18. Hello, Mais. Once again, I'm Justin, and hopefully you can hear my latest single, Kaibigan. So, available na po siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms. And of course, there's a music video available on YouTube. So, please check it out and check out my socials at Justin T. De Dios. Thank you so much, guys.
Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Justin.
Yay.
I'm reading the comments right now. Funny daw siya.
Thank you, guys.
Funny and
Thank you.
charismatic. Hindi na daw siya corny. No, that's all love from your fans for sure. And they know you best. They know you best. So I'm sure they enjoyed this interview.
Exactly.
Watching you as well. So thank you.
you.
And without further ado, thank you to all the monsters who are also watching online on Facebook, YouTube, and on Twitch. And for the lucky 5 all access passers in here, make some noise again for Justin. Kaya louder nga, please. Go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nonchalant po sila eh.
Nonchalant. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, if you say so.
Respectful.
Okay, so
Not loud.
we're ending the interview now for real. And now here is Justin with Kaibigan, only here on The Monster.
What an amazing interview. I mean, Justin shared a lot of things, answered a lot of questions. One thing he said at the end that they're focusing on group projects right now. I think that's what he said at the end. Second half of the year they are focusing, on group projects. Of course, they have done their solo project first half of the year. Amazing things happened first half of the year. So in the second half of the year they are focusing on group projects. So something a lot of big things are coming. Of course, SB19. They always come up with interesting stuff. Always come up with trendy dance moves, songs. So yeah, Mahal Lima. I mean, yeah, I believe them, and they're gonna slay 18.